We're at the Day Riverside Library, which is a beautiful small library here in Salt Lake City. And in the back, you can see the Jordan River. And as you can see, which is one of the things I love about this, is how much vegetation there is. I always remind people that in this community, that even though we're close to the mountains and many other beautiful outdoor places, for many individuals in this community, the Jordan River is the only place they get to actually enjoy and recreate. So it's a big jewel for our community, and we really value that. Hi, my name is Luz Escamilla, and I'm a Utah State Senator representing Senate District 1. So welcome to Senate District 1. And I represent the Northwest Quadrant of Salt Lake City and parts of West Valley City. The residents in this district are facing different things when it comes to, for example, air quality. We have the worst air quality in the entire state of Utah, and that has impacted the quality of life of my constituents. The inland port is something that I cannot not mention in this conversation, and it's a big deal for our district, my district. Our community was rejected the inland port, and it's still an issue that is very touchy for my district. But I know that it's here, it's not going anywhere. So now what we're working is to make sure that that inland port is a responsible piece of our community that is using as much technology and energy efficient ways to have a lower impact on our air quality. So I know the inland port is another piece where USU is very proactively working as well. And we're just happy to see the different institutions coming in and saying we're going to find solutions. So we're using electrified as much as we can and use that current technology and improve technology, that we're ahead of the ball game. We should be driving our policies based on data, and research is what gives us the data. So I really commend Utah State University for leading in this conversation, for thinking ahead. We need to start thinking of our growth. When we have this great economic growth, we also need to respond to that growth in terms of how we're going to be stewards of our land and our beautiful state. And having the adequate research I think is going to give us the tools, especially myself and others as lawmakers, to make sure we're making policies that really are protecting our land, our water, and our air, which without them we won't be able to succeed and continue to be the great state that we are.